So the engine and transmission is going back into the car. Transmission mounted, engine ready, so it will go in back into the car. So wheels removed, bridge on the lowest point, engine can go in. So let's go. So engine is over the edge. Now it can go down and level again. Engine is in for the most part, so now I have to mount the engine mount and the transmission mount. So that's what I'm going to do, and then the chain can go off. So, engine is in the car. All done. Nice and tidy. With the M113 and the W113 V8 you have still space. So, thanks for watching.